Why 40 plus is the prime time to start your digital franchise and how Turnkey Flow gets you up and running this weekend. Hey friend, if you're 40 and over and wondering if it's too late to build something new, something profitable, something online, let me be the one to tell you the truth. You're right on time. In the next few moments, I'm going to show you exactly why men and women over 40 are crushing it in the digital economy, even with no tech skills, no audience, and absolutely no desire to spend much trying to figure everything out. And I'm also going to walk you through how a system like Turnkey Flow can get you set up with your own digital franchise style business in a single weekend, and why affordable payment plans make this the most accessible move you could make right now. You're about to get clarity, confidence, and a roadmap that makes you go, wait, I can actually do this. Because yes, you absolutely can. Why over 40 is your advantage. See, people over 40 have something younger creators don't have. Real life experience, real skills from careers raising families, real discipline, real follow through, real understanding of people, and the desire to create a new normal without starting life over. The digital world rewards people who are relatable, reliable, and real. That's you. The digital economy isn't run by 20-year-olds. It's run by everyday adults who decided, I want more freedom, more control, more cash flow, and I'm ready to step into it. Age doesn't slow you down. Age gives you a story, and stories sell. What a digital franchise really is. I want you to imagine owning a franchise, but no building, no employees, no overhead, no inventory, no long hours, no massive upfront investment. Your store is a simple online system. Your product is digital, and your customers come from the content you put into the world, even tiny simple posts. Your income comes from helping people learn exactly what you're learning. We're modeling what's already working, not reinventing the wheel. That's the power of a digital franchise. Why Turnkey Flow changes everything. Turnkey Flow takes all the complicated stuff off your plate. Instead of you trying to build a website, an email system, funnels, offers, tech connections, automations, sales pages, it's done for you. Your job? Drive traffic. Share your journey. Follow the steps. Turnkey Flow gives you a simple setup, one weekend, a clean system already proven to convert, a product you can sell starting immediately, 100% of the profits, training that breaks everything down simply, mentorship so you're not figuring anything out alone, and yes, there are affordable payment plans so anyone who's serious can start without stress. You're not buying a dream, you're buying a system. One you can literally plug your story into. But, but I'm not techie. Perfect. Turnkey Flow was created for the non-techie. Everything is step by step. Everything is click by click. Everything is repeatable. If you can, watch a video, click a mouse, copy and paste a link, you can run this system. This is why people over 40 love it. It's simple, it's steady, and it doesn't require you to be a content celebrity. What a weekend setup looks like. Here's what your weekend might look like. Day 1. Log in, follow the guided steps, set up your digital franchise system, connect your links, go through the beginner walkthroughs, send yourself your first email test, play around and get confident. Day 2. Publish your first post, send your first email broadcast, share your why I said yes story, plug your link everywhere, start small traffic building steps, and feel the momentum kicking in. That's it. You're now officially in business. A message to my over 40 tribe. Listen, you spent your entire life giving to everyone else. Your job, your family, your responsibilities. It's your turn. You get to build something that grows with you, creates flexibility, creates income, creates options, builds confidence, lets you own your time again. Turnkey Flow is simply the vehicle. Your belief is the fuel. Your consistency is the engine. Give yourself the green light today. If you're ready for a simple path, a clean system, a business that fits your life, steps laid out for you, and a weekend setup that finally gets you in motion. Then click below and check out Turnkey Flow. And remember, affordable payment plans are available so you can get started immediately. Your age isn't a barrier. It's your power. Let's build your digital franchise. Let's create your new normal. Let's get you earning online this weekend. Until next time, peace.